What's going on, family? Finished checking in, working on my skids right now. I got two that I'm actually designing, so I'm laying them out. Got all my pieces and stuff cut, and I was asked how do I coat the ends. So I'm gonna show you my little trick. You see how I got that all nice. Look how pretty it looked on it. Like dude said on life. Ooh, that look all nice and pretty looking. Anyway, this is what you do. Just use another piece, a small piece, and sit it right there on the edge. See? Sit it right there on the edge, and then come in here and mark around it, Easy. And then, when you cut it, you gotta just transfer your lines on the side. And you in there. But that's just some small little tricks to fabrication, you know what I mean? But I pretty much got everything lined out. Cut up, pieces done. I just got to bevel those. And it's a done deal. I'm gonna start putting it together. So, like I always say, man, actions speak louder than words. Gonna be about our business 2020. For those who follow me, man, I appreciate you. We're gonna start on the ground, and we're gonna take it to the office, man. You know what I mean? So literally, you see me on the ground. You see me, don't you? You see it, don't you? We're on the ground. So you're gonna see me go from the ground to a trailer office or a container office to a real office. That's how we're gonna do it. I'm speaking that into existence, so y'all watch me. So when I do it, you're gonna be like, boy, he said he was gonna do it. And I'm gonna do it off my own products. And that's what it's about, man. Building your own products, doing your own things, starting from ground zero. And using your work ethics and your knowledge, putting that together and coming up with something. Coming up with something, man, that can help someone else, that can help you, and that can actually start a new niche in the industry. You know what I mean? I don't know what you got in you, but I know it's something good, something great. So, hey, let's make it happen, man. I know everybody got their different agendas for this month, but whatever your agenda is, get ready for next month. Hog on.